In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple stick figure animation in Canva. Start by opening Canva. From the home page, look for the Create a Design button and choose Video. This sets up a widescreen canvas that's perfect for simple animations and ensures your project exports smoothly as a standard video. On the left side, click the Elements tab. In the search bar, type stick figure or stickman. You'll see a variety of styles: solid, outline, playful, or minimal. Pick a graphic that matches the vibe you want and add it to your canvas by clicking or dragging it in. Keep your character reasonably sized and centered so it reads clearly when animated. With your stick figure selected, click Animate in the top toolbar. You'll get a panel of motion options. For clean, readable movement, choose simple effects like pop, rise, smear, or bounce. These add instant life without making the action feel chaotic. One tip: consistency helps. If you use pop for one pose, try using similar motions across your scenes so the animation feels cohesive. To tell a story or show motion, add more stick figures or props from elements to build your scene. You might place an extra figure to indicate a second pose or duplicate the existing one and reposition it slightly. Keep the scale consistent so your character doesn't accidentally grow or shrink between scenes. Now, create a new page for each movement. Think of each page as a frame. Page 1 is pose 1, page 2 is pose 2, and so on. Small changes between pages create smoother motion. Duplicating a page and nudging the figure a little can keep proportions identical while adding believable movement. At the bottom, use the timeline to adjust how long each page is on screen. Set each scene to around 0.3 to 0.5 seconds for a smooth, snappy animation. Shorter durations feel quicker and more energetic. Slightly longer ones make actions easier to read. Aim for consistency so the rhythm feels intentional. To add mood, open the audio section on the left and choose a background track. Pick something that complements your animation's pace. Light and subtle music often works best so it supports the visuals rather than competing with them. When you're happy with the sequence, go to Share, then Download, and choose MP4 video. This format is ideal for posting, sharing, or adding to presentations. That's it. With a few poses, simple animations, and tight timing, you've created a clean stick figure animation in Canva. Try experimenting with a few more pages and motions to build a short scene, and you'll see how quickly your